Welcome to TechIlipart channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to download and install Netflix in your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Now the first thing you have to do is go to search bar and then type store and then click on Microsoft Store and give it a moment. From here go to search bar again and then type Netflix and then click Netflix app. Now from here click on get. And now Netflix will start downloading and will be installed automatically. You don't have to do anything. And the download is complete. Now just close the window and then go to start. Now here at the top you can see Netflix. Then just click here. Then click on get start. Then click on next. From here scroll down. Then click on next again. Now Netflix is ready for use. From here you can log in or sign up your Netflix account. And that is how you can download and install Netflix in your Windows 10 or 11 PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.